So we're just going to do a bit of an update on the renovations, how it's going and what we're up to, and yeah, tag along. I've got the epoxy. Oh, I can't see it. It's too dark. But that's the vanity top. Still got to go in the bathroom. Got the shaving mirror in. So that's where the tape's gone. Still got the blue. The shower. Walk in. There's a line. She's all pretty cool. Works really well. Rail put in. Bloody heat lamps. IXL plastic, it's already blown 2 lights. You've blown 2. That's pretty disappointing. To be honest, I'm not the most happy with this. It was supposed to be a shoe, just put your clothes out, but so now it's just a bloody window, and it's too low. Like, obviously didn't get my point across. You know, like to have a shoot, so there could be a basket out there, but you know, these things happen. Who knows? I might make another window like that, sort of that sort of size, and so I can put a basket out there and do it properly. I don't know. Pretty disappointing about that. That was a recycled window. Got that $50. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Nice effect. Yeah. So hopefully my epoxy nightmares will be over. One more flood coat, and we'll be all done. Praying. It's been an ordeal, that is. So yeah, we've got to just cut the sink out. It's getting transferred over to here where it'll finally go. It's only going to be in temporary because we haven't got the cupboards designed yet, but we need to move it because the island's going here, and I've got the slabs over there ready to build it. So I need to get that over there for the temporary. Got the dishwasher out. That's going over there, and then I can have this area to make the island home. My island home. Yeah. It's gonna be awesome. All right, let's cut this. Still can't see it. Well done. Beautiful. Oh. You'll be amazed the difference that makes wearing that mask. It's unbelievably good. You'll be shocked. Okay. So the kitchen island, bloody, these slabs. On top of one of the slabs, the kitchen island. So this slab under here, and then it's mate from the other end of it, which is underneath it. It's going together. They're going to butt up together. And for the kitchen island over there, my island home. So that's pretty cool. It's that slab and that slab. Yeah. So now she's separated. I still got to unscrew the cabinet. The plumber's going to be doing the pipes. So tomorrow, so I guess while he's roughing it in, I'll be taking that apart. So tomorrow we're also getting this pipes, putting the sink in, also putting the waste pipe in, connecting out the tap. This laundry will be finished soon. Bit of painting's been getting done. Grout's got to be done. It's come a long way. Yeah, so it's the roundup of the renovation slowly. Got to get this roof sorted. It's sort of next on the plans. Plaster in here. Yeah, move this sucker over. Suckers! It's going to be cool to have an island. Tell you what, it's nice. It's going to be real nice. Yes, that's an update on the renovations.